Guys, get this video to 500 views and I'll do Colton's makeup.
No.
Yes.
500, that's like nothing.
Well, we got 70 last time. Hi guys, today I'll be showing you this purple smoky eye, only using the 24K Nudes by Maybelline. If you like this look, keep on watching, and like, comment, and subscribe.
Drop top Porsche, rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and down my chain.
Okay, so first I'm going in with the bottom left color. It's like a nude base. And I'm just gonna coat this all over my lid. Also, shout out to Mrs. Fiore for these new makeup brushes. I love them so much and I'm gonna use them all the time. They're so nice. So now we're going in on our crease with the metallic-y brown color just to start the transition shades. Next, I'm going in with the really dark brown color, the top left corner. This is just to deepen my crease and make it even more shadowy. Next, we're going with the black color from this palette, and we're just deepening it up even more. So next I'm wetting my brush, and this is just like a flat brush, and I'm going in with the purple in the palette, just making it wet to really make it pigmented. And with that color I'm just going in on my lid and carving out my natural like crease line. And this purple in this palette is not like that purple, it's more of a gray tone. So if you're looking for more of a purple, then I recommend a different palette. A little trick when you're trying to find your natural crease line, if you put the purple here and then you look up, it'll like carve out your line for you at the top of it. And now you're just going to want to go in with the browns that you used before just to make sure it's really blended in with your eye. So now I'm going in with the metallic darker brown. I'm just going under my eye. And like I said in the green eyeshadow look, if you wanted to make this more like a day look or more natural, then you could always use a lighter white shade where I put the purple, or in the other video the green. And this color I'm just dragging from this side of my eye to the inner corner of my eye. And now I'm using my staple, the Laur Lash Boss Mascara. Another trick that I recommend is, if you're not using eyeliner, is focusing on this corner of your eye, not making it clumpy, but just trying to make it look longer. It'll give sort of an illusion of like eyeliner and just bigger eyes. And next I'm going with the Burt's Bees 502 Suede Splash Lipstick. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you liked this video, make sure to watch my other videos, like, comment, and subscribe.